Morning guys, August 8th, 2026. This one I gotta go to the daycare and check a couple of things. One's a toilet and one's a faucet. I'm gonna go over there. They're closed now after hours, and I'll pop in over there and see what I could do. Try to get you some shots. One of the faucets is leaking when they turn it on. He wants to see if I can fix it. If not, he'll get another faucet for me to replace it. And something up with the toilet in the basement. Something's going on with that. The flush valve or the fill valve, he said. So I'll look at it, see, make a decision when I'm there what I'm going to do, and fix it. Watch when I open this, it'll come right out. Alright, I can fix that. Comes out this side too, both sides. Isn't that weird? Wow, that's a delta. That's a delta. I should be able to do something with that. Let me take it apart. Get my tools. It seems a little odd that when I run one side, the other side leaks. Let me take this aerator out, check this aerator first. Something might be going on with that, I'm not sure. Something seems a little off here. Before I shut the water off, I'm gonna check something. Something doesn't seem right here. Yeah, that's loose. No, she's still leaking. I'm wondering if this thing has anything to do with it. It might not, but sometimes the gaskets, you know, let go on this thing. Let's take that right out of the picture. Oh, she's still leaking. Well, take the handles off it and see what the hell's going on with the thing. Definitely leaking. She's a leaker. She's definitely a leaker. If they'll even come off. It's a delta. If I can even get it off of there. It's a pretty old flipping faucet, you know. Wow. Yeah, the gasket in there is probably wow. Man, I'm telling you, that fucking thing. She's on there, Mom. Wow. Should just get another faucet, is what he should do, but he wants me to try to fix it, so we'll do what the customer wants. I don't think that's even going to come off of there, is it? No. I think it's coming off. It's just giving me a hard time. Let me shut the water off, see if I get it apart. Hopefully, I can shut the flipping water off. Can we rebuild it? Yeah, we can. There's O-rings in there that are leaking. I got the water off. Should be able to, maybe, if these things even come apart. These are white metal. Might not even come apart. Oh, that one did. Oh, that one did too. See that gasket right there? That's a problem. I could put some Teflon on there. Wrap some Teflon around there. That's a little tech tip, mama. Yeah. I'm gonna go crazy with the flipping thing because it's... Let's see what the gaskets look like in there. Yeah, might as well put a new gasket kit in there while I'm here. New Delta kit while I'm here. That's what they call seats and springs. Put the seats and the springs in there like that. Push them right in. Get that down inside there. That's a little seat and a spring in there. And there you go. I'll put a new gasket there. Wouldn't hurt to put a little bit on this one too, a little Teflon. Don't hurt. Give it a little extra. If this don't work, I'll have them get a new faucet. He should have went with a new faucet to begin with, but this is what he wants. He wants to try to fix it, so we'll fix it. I'm all about fixing things. If it's safe and these seats are very common to go, so while I'm in here doing my thing, it's that washer there, that's the problem. Like I said, we just put a little Teflon on there and give it a little how you doing. And pull it out a little bit like that, right? Pull it out a little. Give it a little wrap. Give it a little wrap around the town there, mama. There we go. And that's gonna work. And that goes right in there nice, see it? And that goes wrap around here, and that should fix it. Gotta make sure you put these back the right way that they came out. And then we'll both go in that way. Gotta make sure you get that thing on there right, because if not, it won't wanna. Yeah, so you gotta make sure you get it. Don't wanna cross thread it. And I should be able to turn the water back on, and we'll see if it leaks. These are white metal. Usually, sometimes they're brass, but this one's kind of might be chrome plated brass. I'm not sure. Let's see if that works. Turn the water on. Get the water on that. On the cold, we'll turn the hot on. Alright, that seems to be good. I'll get my new aerator while I'm here too. What the hell? He said he wanted to rebuild it, so I think I got another aerator. We know that part's not leaking anymore. I'll put a little lube on there, Mama. Give it a little lube, another little lube will do ya. Key grease, hope it come off next time. Faucet's still good. I mean, it's a little crusty, but still, she's still fine. Well, it's not down all the way, is it? That's kind of weird. Look at that shit. Gotta make sure it goes down all the way. The stops won't work. It's just, it's a crusty one. Oh, looking bad. Anyway, it is okay. So it's tight. There's like a good pressure here. That's it. They got a booster pump on the thing. See ya? The hot water. That must be. That could be hooked up to the booster for the hot water. That's why it's doing that. Recirculating pump's hooked up to that line. You see how it? Watch. When the recirculating line pump kicks in, you can see that thing surge. That's weird. Alright, that's good. Another satisfied customer. A little Teflon and a little seat kit, and we're good to go. So we put Teflon on both of them O-rings in there, and the new seat kit. We're good to go.